You know, life has a strange way of breaking you. Right before it blesses you. Sometimes, it feels like everything is falling apart. Your plans, your dreams, your people, all slipping away from your hands. And you ask yourself, why me? What did I do wrong? Why does life hit me so hard? But listen carefully, your struggle is not a punishment. It is preparation. Preparation for a version of you that you haven't even met yet. Every strong person you admire today has gone through moments that almost destroyed them. They had nights where the world felt silent and the pain felt louder than their heartbeat. They had days where getting out of bed felt like lifting a mountain. But they didn't stop. They didn't quit. They kept moving, even when their hands were shaking. And their hearts were tired. And that is what makes people rise. Not perfection. Not luck. But effort. Consistency. And the courage to try again. After every fall. Maybe right now, you're fighting silent battles nobody knows about. Maybe you're carrying a weight that nobody can see. Maybe you've lost someone, lost trust, lost hope, or lost yourself. But hear this clearly, you are not broken. You are becoming. Becoming stronger. Becoming wiser. Becoming the version of you that life always meant you to be. Your pain is shaping you. Your struggle is training you. Your failures are teaching you. Nothing you have gone through is wasted. One day, you will look back and realize that the moments you thought would break you are the same moments that built you. One day, your story will heal someone who feels lost right now. Your strength will become someone else's hope. Your journey will remind someone that they are not alone. But to reach that day, you must keep going today. Not fast. Not perfect. Just forward. One small step. Every day. Every moment. Remember this, storms don't last. Pain doesn't stay forever. And darkness is never stronger than the light inside you. You have survived 100% of your worst days. You are still here. Still breathing. Still fighting. That means you are stronger than anything life ever threw at you. You are a warrior with a wounded heart but an undefeated spirit. Stand up. Lift your head. Dry your tears. Your comeback is not just possible, it's already happening. Your journey is not over. Your story is not finished. Your strength is not done growing. So rise, even if it's slow. Rise, even if it hurts. Rise, because the world has not yet seen the best version of you. Your time is coming. Your breakthrough is coming. Your light is coming. And when it arrives, the world will remember one thing: you didn't give up. You rose. You rebuilt. And you became unstoppable.